Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do some excitement work on my Toyota Yaris. I'm going to change the stereo system, the infotainment system. It is 2008 model, 1.4 liter diesel Yaris, and I'm I'm trying to install a new infotainment system with a 9-inch with Android Auto and iPhone Play with reverse camera and all the systems. So I will show the system and how it will work. So presently this is the system presently we having in the Yaris, and it's also having that tom navigation system, but apparently it's an old system, only radio and CD player. So I'm going to install this one. You can see how big it is. The screen is big, and as far as I can see on the internet, it's a good system with all features. So let's crack on. So firstly we have to take this thing out. The thing is coming from here and covering all this area. This is the new system it will cover. So to take this out, for this model of Yaris with this way the switches are, we have to take on the side, this one we have to, it's very easy, and here you can put like this. Came off, and you can see the hazard warning light switch. I mean the power is there, the switch power, and this side is also same. I took it off. And we can remove the coupler or the switch and take this plastic part away, and this part also away. So now I took this part away with this coupler. You can see there is a small this button, push button here. If you push this thing, it will come off, and you can take this switch out by pressing two of these clips on both sides, this and here, and same goes with the other one. Then I took this top part away. You can see there is clips. It goes through these holes. We can just lift it up. Now you can see there is screws in here. 1, 2 here, the bottom there. This one, and here third one, and fourth one is here. So you have to take all these 4 screws to take all the system out. So after removing all these 4 screws, I pulled this system, and this system, the bottom part came off. Now we have to take this away, then we can take the stereo out. To take the system completely, this vent and everything, so you can see there are some clips. You have to push that clips to take it out. I can't do it, I'm just recording and doing things, so I have to keep the phone on side to do it. For more clearer view, I took the top part also. It is very easy to take this part away. This also some clips there, just carefully take it off, so we can have a good view there. See there. Now this part came off. I have to give some more force to pull it out to remove these clips. Now it is easy to take the stereo out. See, it is very easy. We can pull it out and remove the connection from the back. So you can see I just pulled the radio out. These are the connections, the antenna and the power connection and all these couplers. It has on the other system, it has same um, connection. We can find it out before removing it. So now I removed all the connections from the stereo. All these couplers having just you have to press this thing, same like all of them having the same. You have to press and slowly shake and pull it out. That's it. So now it is separated. This one is free to come out. Now we have to check for the new connections. So yes, I was stuck in this situation because that I was trying to put this power cable to there, but it won't fit there because the the pin size is different. In this one, the power pins, two of them are larger. So anyway, the system came with a harness, so we have to insert there, and we can remove this part, these two part from here, and we can connect it here. And we also put this two switch, passenger airbag switch and the hazard warning switch already inserted there. So let me just go and disconnect this and connect this here. See, I already removed this blue coupler from this white one, and I removed this one also. So you get, I struggled a lot to remove it. Yes, that's it, it came off. So now we can connect these two connections to this two here, this two here. That's it. So I connected those two coupler here and there, and this is the antenna. It goes here, and this one, this 8 couple, it will go here. And there are lot more connections for the reverse camera and GPS and everything. So it is almost done. I was in a struggle to find out the connections because this I connected the harness connection for the which one is it, this it means RCA, that means goes here, RCA connection, but there is nothing connected or empty. So we have to connect all the speaker or whatever. Only one connection is for the mic connection. We have the mic supplied, and when I turned it on, there was no sound. So I was so worried what to do. There is nothing going in there. I tried to connect there is nothing going in there. Then at last I removed this, and see, I thought this one was the 8 point, this one should be going here. There is an 8 point there, but it is not going. It is hard to, it won't fix there. Then I removed this coupler from here. It was connected, so I removed it, and I saw 3 cables here, and already 3 cables for the power harness. It goes to the power harness. I connected there, and when I turned it on, it is perfectly okay. The sound is coming out. So now it is all fixed. I connected the USB connections here. 2 USBs are there. Mic connection we can connect, and I kept the GPS over here because the car comes with the GPS, and it's a different connection. We can't fix that connection. This is the GPS connection for this one, the car. So I can't connect this one here anywhere, so we can remove that one, and you can use this GPS. So fingers crossed, I think everything is okay now. Now I'm going to connect this passenger seat belt, sorry, passenger airbag indicator, that one, and this hazard indicator, that one, and I'm going to fix it back and see how it works. I think I have to sort out the cables, and also I have to connect the reverse camera. That's another job to do. Okay, let's see. Okay, at last, before connecting these things, let's speak about the reversing camera setting. So it comes with this cable. It's a plenty, long enough to connect to the reverse camera, and you can see an orange wire on each side. This wire, this one goes to the video out. On this one, on this harness, we can see video out in here. I'll show you this one. Subwoofer video out. This one, video out. So this video out will connect the reversing, this one, and the orange cable that will go to the power harness here. Power harness in here, you can see the reverse. This will connect to this one, that orange one. We have to connect and tape it. Then we have to put the line to the back of the car and connect the reversing camera. That means here, this one, we connect to this one. The yellow one goes there, and the orange one, this one, the red one goes to this cable here. They provided this cable also, and you can see the black goes to the earthing, grounding, and the red goes to the reversing light. So when we put the reversing camera, it will automatically connect. That's it. I am personally connecting the reverse camera to turn it on automatically while putting to reverse gear. So you can see the pink one is the main wire. Pink, or this is not red, it is pink, and this one, white with black stripe, is the ground. So in the wire they have given, you have to connect. This one is the ground one, and the pink one is the main positive wire. So you can take this wire from, no need of taking out the coupler. You can just undo the sheath. See, this is a broken sheath. They just put the tape on it. If you take this out, you can take the wires out and you can do this. So while attaching the reverse camera, you can see this pink wire. This one goes to the positive cable, positive wire, that means the pink one, and also this one they provided. See this system, this one, the red one also goes. These two together goes to the positive cable, and this black one, this one goes to the ground one, that means the black and white, and this one connect to the red one here, and this yellow and this yellow connects together. See, this is the camera. So the reverse camera is working now. You can see it is just showing that where I kept the camera. But in the paper it says the reverse camera to connect to the video out. It says here video out, but when I connected to the video out, it was showing nothing. It was just a black screen with these lines. Now I connected to the other one, camera input here, the camera input, this one, the in the slot, the first one. When I connected to this one, it is working now. So let's keep that keep in mind. Okay, lastly I'm going to attach this thing. You see the there is no clips in this, the thing we received. So you have to take the clips from the one in this one. See the pink ones, you have to take this one and to put it there to fit it properly. So now it's all done, fitted well, but you can see there is some gap, little bit of gap here and there. Otherwise it's very perfect for the car. It has all the functions and it's cool, looks cool, nice. I connected my Android phone to it, and map also very nice, but it's slower. Everything is a bit slower, I think. Anyway, good job. Thank you so much for watching. Try this thing. I will put the link to buy the this system in the description. Thank you. Bye.